Blocks to Robotics by Marina Umashi Bers, presented by Zarina Udin. Constructivism as developmentally appropriate practice. Developmentally appropriate practice pays attention to the individual interest of the child as well as the community in which learning happens. Young children's brain is ready to grab information, but the information should be carefully analyzed and age appropriate so it kindles their interest. Giving complicated ideas will get them frustrated very quickly and they will lose the interest in learning. But when age appropriate learning happens, you can see the curiosity and enthusiasm in their actions, which result in a positive outcome. In the early childhood education, hands-on learning is the best practice to follow. Children learn by doing and exploring new techniques. We have been using blocks to encourage this aspect of learning by doing. The invention of computers has complemented this by adding the programming part of learning. In reality, it extends from blocks to robots. The children are learning tremendously, integrating bits and atoms by combining electronics and mechanics. Constructivism is organized into categories like learning by design, objects to think with, and powerful ideas, and thinking about thinking. Promoting positive technological development. Positive technological development is the technique which encourages children to explore technology at a very early age and also influence the community with those positive effects of development. The two different ways children learn technology are computer literacy and technology fluency. Computer literacy is the art of actually using the computers, but technology fluency is where the children get creative with the technology. This is the application part of learning where the actual life project happens. Children explore through hands-on activities. This is a start of positive learning and technology development. Technology affects the children in the personal, social, and emotional lives from a very early age. We have to help children use technology in a positive way and help them create a better world through the use of computers. As teachers, our duty is not only to encourage the students to learn technology to complete the assignments and projects at school, but also to contribute in positive ways to themselves, their community, and the world. When that happens, we have created a positive technological development, which in turn creates competence, confidence, caring, connection, and contribution, which create a strong foundation for the children's future. Classroom management. Classroom management is always an issue in a hands-on learning environment. This issue is a problem even with the most experienced teacher. To properly bring hand learning into the classrooms, the classroom must change from a teacher lecturing to a teacher being a mentor. Instead of the teacher running the classroom, it must be a partnership between the teacher and students. Instead of everyone sitting quietly on the seats, the students are moving around, interacting, and talking. The team group the students into teams and assign them specific roles. In this way, it is easy for the teacher to manage the student in smaller groups. It is amazing to see how the students somehow manage to discover the experts in their groups and who to ask for help if needed. This results in lots of co-op learning and discussions, which are very essential for the job market in the future. At the end, they can have a discussion session where all the problems are discussed and appropriate solutions are derived. Working in between the chaos becomes a part of teacher's job in a project-based learning environment. The classroom has to be very organized to know where everything is located. The setting up is difficult only the first time. Once organized, it takes adjustments as the class develops into new projects.